In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your WordPress database using pmyadmin. Whether you're working on a local server or a hosting service, this tutorial will guide you through each step of the backup process, ensuring your WordPress site is safe and secure. Let's get started. First, it's important to access pmyadmin, the tool we'll be using for this process. If you're working locally on your computer, you can simply open your web browser and navigate to http localhost phpmyadmin. This will take you directly to the pmyadmin interface. However, if your WordPress site is hosted online, you'll need to go through your hosting provider's cPanel. Once you're logged into cPanel, look for the pmyadmin icon and give it a click. This should open up the pmyadmin dashboard where we can begin the backup process. Next, within the pmyadmin dashboard, you'll need to locate and select your WordPress database. Generally, this will be named something resembling WP, followed by your site's name, but it can vary depending on how your site is set up. If you're unsure, take a moment to check which database corresponds with your WordPress site by looking at your site's configuration files for specifics. Once you've identified and clicked on your database, you'll see a list of tables and options appear. Now, we're going to switch our focus to the Export tab at the top of the page. Click on this tab to start the backup process. You'll be presented with export options, but don't worry. pmyadmin makes it easy by providing a straightforward way to proceed. Here, we have the option to choose the export method. For our purposes, the quick method is ideal. This method selects all the options automatically, making it easier and faster to complete the process. Next, you'll need to choose the format you want for your data export. In this case, select SQL. This format is most commonly used for backing up databases because it's compatible with a wide variety of database systems and can be easily restored if needed. With your method set to Quick and format set to SQL, go ahead and click on the Go button. This final step will initiate the download of the .sql file, which contains your entire WordPress site's database backup. You should now see the file downloading to your computer. Congratulations! You've successfully created a full backup of your WordPress database. This .sql file is a crucial resource that includes all your site's posts, pages, and settings. In case of any website issues or data loss, having this file ensures you can quickly restore your site to its current state. By following these steps, you've secured a vital part of your website's data, ensuring peace of mind and added security for your online presence. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay savvy.